Namaste and good morning. So today's posture is gorilla posture. This is a simple posture but very good for your shoulders, your hamstrings and your calf muscles. So first stand tall. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, slowly fold forward. Keep your legs straight, and wherever you are, you might be here or all the way to the floor. So you can use the blocks, they are very helpful. So you can put your hands on the blocks, or first try with interlacing your hands behind your legs and then slide your hands toward the floor. That will bring your upper body towards the floor too. So wherever you are, now you start getting a nice deep stretch in your hamstrings all the way to your calf muscles. How far you can go, stay wherever you are. And then you can try to bring your hands close to the floor, and maybe now just move one leg and the other, so that will give you a nice deep stretch. And once your hamstring gonna be little loosened, then you can bend the legs. Put your left hand under the left foot, right hand under the right foot, and then you are straightening your legs. So go slow. Wherever you are, your legs will might this much. So while you are straightening your legs, you are folding forward also. You are trying to bring your head close to your knee wherever you are. So now you are getting nice deep stretch on your hamstrings, your calf muscle, as well as the shoulder. So see, once you have enough practice, you can try to touch your toes to your wrist, and then you are touching your head towards your knee. So now this is giving you deeper stretch on your shoulders too. Breathe, hold for a couple of breaths. So again, you don't have to straighten your legs when you're starting this. Once you have practice, you will be able to fully straighten your legs. Breathe. And when you're ready, bend the legs and move one hand and the other hand. Inhale, arms up, hands in front of the heart. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and have a great day. Namaste.